right, here we go, Mediocre Man channel. And by the way, this channel's for women and men, even though it's called Mediocre Man. There's plenty of mediocre women out there that probably enjoy DIY projects. Now what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take this perfectly fine fireplace as it is, and because my wife ran off to Mexico to go to her cousin's wedding, I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of this fireplace that she likes very much. Why? Because I want to. Now, I'm gonna show you the main items that you need. The first one you can't find in a store. You can't order it online. It's called gumption. Okay, you gotta have some gumption. You gotta have some gumption. You gotta have motivation. You gotta have guts. You gotta have the will, the drive, the ambition to get it done. That's the way it is with all the projects you see on this channel. So here we go. Let me show you the items. Okay, we got a drill, which we use with the, where is it? Okay, right here. This kind of paddle thing to mix the cement together with the water. We've got the, what do you call these things? Trowels. We've got the trowel here to trowel it on. We got some tape to tape off the tile. We got safety glasses for dust. I know you have one of these, you pussies. It's a mask. Everyone's got those. If you've had a proctal exam lately, you probably have gloves. And we have our sander. And the main thing is this stuff. It's called Ardex Feather Finish. It's white, so it should mix with the color pretty well. We're gonna make an orange color today. We got the sander to rough up the surface. The reason really why I'm doing this is because you see how it's all cracked. I don't remember what I did this with a long time ago. But, you know, initially I thought it was kind of, I don't know, had some character to it that way, but I'm kind of tired of it and I want to smooth it out and change the color. So that's why we're, not good camera work there. That's why we're changing the color there. And, a drop cloth so they don't get cement all over the tile. So there we go. We're going to do. Alrighty then, step one. We're going to sand it out. Here we go. Well, the reason we do the sanding is so that the mortar has somewhere to cling on to. If it's too smooth, it'll come right off. It's got something to grab onto. Well, while I was sanding, the power went out in the neighborhood, if you can believe that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start just getting the powder mixed for the color that we're making. We're making an orange. You don't want to use too much because this stuff dries super quick. It dries in 15 minutes, and then while you're working, if you make too much at a time, you're going to end up with stuff you can't use and you're on a lot of waste. So we got here about 1 quart. So I'm going to put that in there. Now we're going to take our dye. I'll put the link on from Amazon. This is just dye powder. And this is about 4 ounces. And we just put in 32 ounces. So we should be putting in an ounce, but I'm going to put in about 2 ounces. Just because, like I said, I want a strong color. So that's what it looks like there. And then you do this dry. You mix the dye and the white powder together. We'll put a little more in just to, I got plenty of this stuff, so I don't need to be chintzy with it. And once you add the water, it's actually not so easy to change the color. So you kind of want to get it right before you put the water in. Alright, can't really tell anything until you put the water in to see what the color is that you came up with. All right, electricity's on. Finished the sanding, now putting in the water. Measured it out at half. Okay, it's already looking pretty orange. Take our mixer here, put it in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is way orange. Shouldn't have overdone it so much. Oh well. Now it's so orange, it's kind of reddish. Alright. Oops, we forgot to put down our drop cloth. Not good. Alright, let's put that there. Hope that balances. Get the drop cloth out. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And I'm losing some time here, so I gotta go quick.